Hello, Vikings. Happy last day before winter break. For class today, you are taking your test on Africa. I can demonstrate my knowledge of two different African cultures by correctly answering questions in complete sentences and providing textual evidence to support my answers. Question 1. According to the text we read in class, who was the richest person to have ever existed? Remember, you were answering in complete sentences. Number 2. In at least two sentences, describe him. Number 3, using evidence from at least two of the documents that we looked at in class, describe the Kingdom of Mali. Include the society's trade, religion, and anything else important. Use text evidence to support your answer. Once you have answered all three of these questions in complete sentences, you are going to go down and click the Next button. You will see in our second section, we have a text and questions to answer. So remember, you always read the questions first. Number 1, when did the Kingdom of Ghana exist? Number 2, what was Ghana's main religion? And number 3, what was Ghana's main economic trade? Why was trade economically important for them? So now that we know that we're looking for, we can go back. We can look at the title, which is Kingdom of Ghana. We can look at the map. Ghana is this green area right here in West Africa. Let's zoom in to make it a little bit bigger. And then follow along with me as we read. The Kingdom of Ghana emerged as early as 500 AD. It collapsed in the 11th century. In the grasslands of West Africa, a series of trading kingdoms emerged. The first great kingdom of West Africa was called Ghana. Ghana was called the Land of Gold, even though it did not have gold. The Kingdom of Ghana did not own gold fields, but it did control the trade in gold. The Kingdom of Ghana controlled the trans-Saharan trade. This was a trade connecting North Africa to West Africa via the Sahara Desert. North African nomads, hunters and gatherers who traveled across the land instead of setting up permanent communities, carried salt and other goods across the Sahara in exchange for gold. West Africa lacked salt, but humans need salt to live. Due to its importance, salt was exchanged for gold. The trans-Saharan trade passed through Ghana. Due to its location, the kings of Ghana were able to tax traders entering and exiting Ghana. Therefore, Ghana was able to control the trade. Wealth from trade helped Ghana maintain a powerful army. A powerful army allowed the kings of Ghana to expand the kingdom. The kings of Ghana kept the peace for many years. This allowed nomads to travel safely and trade to prosper. In the 7th and 8th centuries CE, Islam began to spread across northern Africa. The religion reached the Kingdom of Ghana in the 9th and 10th centuries when Saharan traders introduced their new religion to the region. The royal court of Ghana, however, did not convert to Islam and retained traditional religious practices throughout the city. So then you will go and answer the questions. When did the Kingdom of Ghana exist? What was Ghana's main religion? Now it's asking the main religion. And what was Ghana's main economic trade? Why was trade economically important for them? Once you answer those two questions and then this one in complete sentences, you'll click Next. And then this is the last part. Number 7, what might happen if the cultures we learned about did not have trade with other cultures? Gentle, loving reminder, friends, this is an opinion question. Your opinion cannot be wrong. The only way your opinion is invalid is if you do not back it up with facts and reasoning. So quote from the text, quote from your documents. And then an extra credit question. This one is not required, friends. Which weighs more, a pound of feathers or a pound of bricks? And then as soon as you're done, click Submit, and you are done for social studies for the quarter. Be good people, make good choices. We'll see you next year.